adding to calls for a fuller short-term lockdown run with COVID-19 sufferers, many of them elderly. The countries followed France and Belgium's lead in imposing nighttime bans, said Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez, to an extreme. One by one, countries are tightening restrictions. France has been reporting record daily figures, but a leading scientist who advises the French government believes the infection rate could be twice as high.
10,000 of people.
An effective vaccine would be a game changer in the... Several could be available.
Next to the hospital is a testing site. They've temperature checks and a device to measure oxygen.
Intensive care units are now 80% full in Bogotá. The national government bought new ventilators to increase availability, but a lack of trained doctors means not all of them can be used at the same time. And now authorities are worried by a sharp surge along Colombia's the Atlántico province has registered almost double the number of deaths compared to Bogotá, with only 1/3 of the population. Lives as they can in a country ravaged by the virus and deeply divided on how to respond. Alessandro Rampietti, Al Jazeera.
Brazil's hospitals are overflowing with people. Doctors at a Sao Paulo field hospital work as fast as possible to intubate a 43-year-old's oxygen levels are critical.
Do you think this man will survive?
Yet staff are working 12-hour shifts. They receive infected patients close to death. Patients unconscious. Doctors are desperate for the government-wide lockdown.
As an invisible enemy.
Of the ongoing struggle of medical staff and their stricken patients, all of which risks losing sight.